Okay. So one few important points you need to be remembered that. Okay. Whatever valuated stock movement posted. Okay. Valuated stock movement posted. Okay. There is a accounting entry. Okay. So how the system will calculate? Is it only overall? It will be providing the accounting entry, or it is a each and every line item level. Okay, if you remember that in the metal master record, each and every material have the different values in class. Okay, so that means what we need to understand here. Okay, if material A it is matching to some other GL account, material B also it will be matching with a different GL account. It is not same GL account because we are mapping different values in class, right? If it is as raw materials, if it is like different GL account, semi-finished goods, it's different GL account. Okay, packing material, it is a different GL account. So what? Just a moment. Okay, sorry. Okay, so whenever there is a new item in the GR, okay, maybe if you have the 10 items you are posting today. So when SAP is looking into that, when you're posting the stock account, okay, when you're posting the material document here, okay, the system always looking into each and every item. Okay, so each item wise what we need to post. Okay, it might be because if you remember that there is a concept like standard price and moving average price. How many you remember this one? Moving average and standard price. In the metal master card, we discussed about this point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Right.
yes.
See, when there is a standard price, okay, even in the PO level, if it is a less or more price, then the PO level, if it is less or more price, okay, the system always posting the stock account entry with the standard price in the metal master record. Correct or wrong?
Yeah, it posts on the standard price only.
Yeah, correct. So it will be post only with standard price. What if suppose I'm just maintaining 100 rupees in the standard price in the metal master record. Even if I just enter here in the PO, my vendor is agreed with 90 rupees, or it may be 80 rupees, or it may be 70 rupees, or it may be 120 rupees, or 140 rupees, whatever it may be. Okay, if there is a prices are less or more prices also, okay, the inventory account, that means the stock value will be updated with 100 rupees only. That means standard cost only, because you maintain the standard price in the metal master card. Okay, so in that case, so the auditing people, okay, but you cannot pay only 100 rupees to vendor, right? Because he is not agreeing, right? So he already said that it is 140 rupees or 120 rupees. Okay, if you're paying a less price, he is not accepting, right? So that means you need to be clear the GRIR clearing account. That means we need to be clear with the price of 120 or whatever it may be. The price it will be whatever it is there in the PO level. That price only you are paying to vendor. Correct? Is it correct or wrong?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly right. So in that case, okay, in the inventory stock level, if it is updating as 100, and that means one is debit and one is credit, okay, there is no tally, right? So as per the accounting, it should be tally, plus or minus, it should be tally. Okay, if I added plus or minus, it should be zero, right? It should be nullified. So in that case, what will be happen? The system will post the balance amount. Okay, the balance amount which is posted to price difference account. Okay, that is the PRD account. Okay, that is a transaction event key PRD account. Okay, this is the separate GL account which is matching by finance team to identify that what are the price different quantity there. Either it may be plus or minus. Okay, whatever 100 minus, or 100 minus 90, that means 10 rupees plus, or if it is 100 minus 120, it is minus 20. Okay, either it may be credit or debit, it is posting to price difference account. Okay, so my point is here, might be some materials have the standard price, some materials have the moving average, right? So when you are receiving the GR with different type of the materials like raw materials, packing material, finished goods. Sometimes maybe we are procuring the finished goods also. Maybe depends on the client requirement. Or it may be it's urgent from the customer. So they are buying from the outside. So in that case, the accounting team, how they can differentiate this is the price difference account. So it depends on the each and every line item. Okay, if out of 10 items, one item is maybe in the ninth item, if I just consider that that material is standard cost, then system will post the 3 entries for the ninth line. That means if suppose, let's take one example, I have 3 line items. Okay, so 3 line items, if I have, one line item have the plus or minus, it's correct. Okay, with moving average. So there is no difference. So plus or minus, it's clearly posted. Now second, one it is posted plus and another which we have posted minus, and there is additionally freight cost is there. So that cost also it is posting here at the time of GR. And the third one is, let's say plus or minus also it is there, but additionally there is a price difference account. You understand, right? What is the plus or minus? Okay. It's like a inventory account and GRIR clearing account.
Well, it's in a credit and debit account only.
Yeah, credit and debit. Okay. And this freight, credit or debit, and price difference, credit or debit depends on the what you entered in the PO, what you entered in the difference. Okay. So when I just posted like this on GR, what will be happen? Instead of it is posting 2 entries, it is posting for one line item 2 entries, second line item 3 entries, third line item 3 entries. So totally how many it is? 3, 3 and 2. That is 8 entries will come. So what I just want to conclude here, it will be always posting at each item level. Okay. If there is no accounting impact for the line item, then it won't be posted. Okay. If there is a impact on the line item, it will be posted. Okay. Irrespective of the each line, irrespective of the overall, it is like it is calculating each and every line item level. Clear? Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Okay. So what about others? Others are too silent nowadays. Your understanding is still you have the doubt. If you are keep on asking the question, then only okay you'll be understand more. So respect of the by heart, my advice is when you are doing the process, just think about that what you are doing. Okay. So if you are receiving the GR, just think about that. Okay, while we are receiving the today's stock, okay, how much we are receiving? Let's segregate this 10 quantity. Okay, 5 quantity I will be moved to other area. Okay, 5 quantity I have to be moved to other area. Okay, let's say consume the 5 quantity. So like you just think in the different ways, then do the more practice. Okay, so don't by heart the process. Clear? Just understand the concept. Clear?
Sir, here you said the standard price, okay, sir. But inventory like PO is maybe different prices, but inventory and GRN should be the standard price.
Yeah, okay. And the value, the stock value, it will be display as a standard price. Even it is a pure price, different value. That's why we proposed initially. I clearly mentioned that. Okay, for procured materials, means whatever the materials we are procuring, that we always suggest that go with the moving average price instead of you are going with the standard price. Please go with the moving average price. so that we can avoid this price difference account.
Okay. Means PO and GRN should match, right? Ma'am?
PO and GR should match. It is matching, right? That means PO invoice, PO GR. I not say that PO and GR should match because depends on the situations, it will be different.
Okay.
The quantity it should be matched. PO
Okay,
GR
quantity should
only quantity should match, and PO invoice value should match.
Okay.
Right? We're talking about that is only right three-way matching. So when we checking this PO price with the invoice price and PO price with the GR quantity, PO quantity and GR quantity.
Okay, got this. These three line items, where we'll find the differences of like plus or minus flight charges.
You have the item number also, yeah. Whenever it is posting, I'll show you that. Whenever the accounting entries which is posted, okay, you can see that the line number also in the accounting entries level.
You can see FI document level also.
Yeah. I'll just go to the FI document here. Let me go to the any of the FI document. So overview. Let me go any after one document here which I posted. Okay. Okay, this is 201K. Okay, let's go to 201K. Okay, this is we don't have. Let's go to the okay. Let's see if I can show you here also. Let me try. If it is not there, then I can go to actual GR. Okay, so if you see here, okay, this is the entries, right? Okay, if you go to here and go to display hash list, okay, in the top, okay, just to change the layout, you can add the what the data you want to see. Okay, so there are so many data sheet is there. Okay, you want to be changed. You want to see the plant code, or you want to see amount in local currency and other currency, tax amount. Okay, so how you want to be segregate that you can look into here. Okay, here also we can find that order number also. Let me go to order number here.
We have line items, sir, in the.
Yeah, okay, line item is there. Okay.
Yeah, line item is there.
Line item idea. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is not line item English. Okay. You can get a clear picture also in document number or something which will get. You can get document number also. Clearing document, okay. Not clearing document. Let's go down. So this is the one which we very important transaction. It is very important. Okay, we'll discuss about this one. And now go to the. Okay, so if we with reference to any sales document or billing document or anything which is like, okay, you can select here. So let's see if there is a order number, right? This is the order number is okay. Will controlling area. Okay. Okay, then let's copy this one. Okay. So this is the KON and GBP. Okay. So this is the 201K. Okay. Let me go with the G101. Any 101 is there. Okay. So this is the 411K. I need other documents which is posted. Okay, let's go to MB51 first. Let me go with 101 moment time. Okay, so let's go to any of the document here. These are all 101 only. Okay, okay, this material number is not there. Let's take the multiple. Okay, this is 101. We have three items. Let's see how we can see here. Okay, we have 3 line items here. Okay, so let's go to accounting data. And if you see that each and every have the multiple GL accounts. Okay, there are combinations are there, multiple combinations are there. So each and every item level, there is a multiple postings happen. Now I just want to see that each and every material document number level. So I can go to display as list here. Okay. Now I just want to see here. If you can see that there is a PO number, and there is a PO number and item number, and this is a PO number, item number, and PO number, item number. So there is a 2 item which is posted. Okay. And other than that, if you want to see more than this one, okay. So what we can do here, we can take any of the item level, item 1, item 2. There is a reference document number. It should be a reference number, I think. Okay, it's not invoice reference. Terms. Let's check for the program. If I can find you. We can enter the material number, plan, and how much quantity it is based on the quantity. So what you can do, you can select that, okay, what information which is required. So what you asking that, how we can differentiate, right? So here you can see that, okay, the first line item have the posting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is 7 entries are posted for one first item. And the second, go to purchasing document number 2. Again, there is some other entries, which is like almost 6 entries are there. Okay, so at the accounting entries level, you can find that exactly what document and what item number here. Okay, based on the document number and item number, you can find that, okay, these are the entries which is represents to this PO and this item number. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So this is our question, right? So this is what your question, right? Or it is different?
No, so the 3 line items you written like plus or minus and flight charges.
Yeah. Okay, this here it's there, right?
Yeah.
Plus and minus. This is plus and this is minus. Negative sign it is minus and this is plus. It is just like a credit or debit. Yeah, I'm just returning that. Okay, credit or debit.
Means these 3 items, what what it represents?
No, that's why I don't by heart. Just to understand the concept. Okay, so I'll tell you. Suppose you are receiving today. Okay, you created PO. Okay, material A. Let's say I will go for the only one item, material A, 100 quantity. Okay, with price of 100 rupees. Okay, now I created this PO. Okay, now I'm receiving the GR. So while receiving the GR, I received material A. Okay, and the quantity I received 100 pieces. Okay, then price it is 100 rupees because it is already the PO 100 rupees only. So let's assume that it is a moving average. Now you tell me that when you are posting GR from the accounting level, what are the impact it is there? Generally, if you are receiving the stock, what are the impact it is there? What information you have to be give to the accounting people, finance people?
Quantity and the price.
Okay. But what is the debit and credit? How will they know? That means, see here, if stock added, right? That means,
Okay.
so we are receiving the stock, right? That means stock added, right? That means
Yes.
inventory account it is added, right? Inventory
Correct.
account added. Okay. So this information we have to give to accounting team. Boss, we received 100 pieces. This is the price. This is the stock value, right?
Okay.
Now I need to still I didn't clear the invoice because I just received a GR, but still the invoice is not clear, right? Did you post the invoice? No, right?
No.
You just put doing only GR, right?
Correct.
Okay, that means you have to be do GRAR clearing account. Okay, why
Okay.
it's GRAR clearing account? Because you have to be tell that okay, we have received a GR, but still invoice is not clear. How much balance sheet is there? That balance amount it is clear. It is showing here.
So in while like stock entering into the inventory area, there we are going to add, and same thing we have to reflect negative in GR IR.
Come again.
Right, sir? Means whatever the material we are receiving at the inventory area.
Okay.
So there we are going to add those stock and quantity prices.
Okay.
Same thing we are reflecting in the GR and IR.
Yeah, obviously, right? But if you
Okay,
are
that is positive and
taking,
negative, right, sir?
yeah, it's a general business. If suppose, okay, you order something item, okay, you order from the Amazon or something, okay, you receive the stock, okay. So, whether you want to be paid the amount or not,
Yes, sir.
obviously you have to pay, right?
Correct.
So, uh, you are receiving amount, you are receiving the stock, and at a time you have to be paid the amount.
Correct.
Okay, so if you want to pay the amount, okay, whether he will give the invoice or not, how you know what is the price?
Through invoice.
GR is nothing but like it's a quantity we receive. Stock, physically we receive the stock. Okay, invoice is nothing but like a physically we receive the receipt. How you are receiving the receipt from the Amazon, Flipkart, so or anything which if you go to shop, nearest shop, if you're buying some product, they will give the receipt. Boss, this is your invoice receipt. You have to pay this amount. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay, so here the concept is when you are receiving the stock, okay, so they along with the stock they will send the invoice as well. The vendor is saying that okay boss, this is the invoice you have to pay. Okay, then what you need to do, you have to be verified that invoice. Okay, I received the stock. Okay, clear. Okay, this is the price which we agreed in the PO. Clear. Then I'm accepting that I am ready to pay this amount. Right. So here, how is it audible to everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Yeah, okay. So how the finance team is know that whether it is cleared or not cleared? They know only based on the GRIR clearing account. That means from our point of view, whether I received invoice or not, based on the GRIR clearing account only, I know. Okay. So if I didn't receive the stock, that means, sorry, if I didn't receive the invoice, I received the stock only, but still I didn't receive the invoice, then still the balance will be displayed in the GRIR clearing account. There is a report like, uh, here it is at the time of GR. Okay, if you see here, let's go to the again SAP. So this is the basic concept. Everyone should understand this one. Okay, if you why? Because it is very important. If you understand this basic concept, then only you can survey in the accounting level. Okay, FIMM integration level. Okay, now let's go again. So same document number which I posted. Okay, let's go to the 101 moment type. So you all aware about this 101, right? No, there is no doubt on this one. What is the 101 moment type?
It's a standard movement for the GR.
Yeah, GR with reference to purchase order.
Yeah.
Okay? With reference to purchase order. Now executing this one. Okay. So now I'm just going to single one. Okay. Let's go to single one. We are confusing in the multiple line items, right? Let's go to single one. Okay. Where we are in. Okay. Now, if you go to accounting data, see here, we are received a stock. Okay. And we have to be clear the account. We have to clear the account. So if you still not complete the invoice, okay, if you still not complete the invoice, what will be happen? This credit will be credit only. Okay, so it won't be display as cleared. So tomorrow, if audit people they are looking into that, they understood that okay, this GR is completed, but invoice not yet completed. So did you understand here the concept?
So we are not audible.
Not audible.
Actually, you're muted, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. See, okay. Here, if you see that, okay, this stock is added here. Okay, but still it is a negative sign. Okay, that means still it is not cleared. When it is cleared, this negative sign to plus sign. Okay, when you are posted into invoice. Let's see. I will go to the purchasing document. Okay, let's go to purchasing document, and I just want to go into invoice. Okay, this is something which is deleted from the database. This is all old data. So let's take the recent data. Let me take that. Okay, let's take this any of the existing data. Okay. So okay, so if you go to this PO, for this PO, whether the invoice is posted or not, no, not yet posted. It is GR only, it is posted. That means what is happening, okay, while GR is posted, okay, while GR is posted, so the finished goods which is updated, but this GRIR clearing account which is not updated. So somebody they changed the GL account description, but you have to remember this one, BSX and WRX. BSX is nothing but like a stock account. BSX is the inventory account. Okay, and WRX is the GRIR clearing account. Okay, so if even the GL account, whatever it might be, okay, so this is the concept. So how we know, sir, this is BSX is the stock account or it is a WRX account. So in the configuration level, OBYC, okay, if you go to here, BSX inventory posting, you go to that, it is a standard one, BSX inventory posting. Then go to WRX, GRIR clearing account. Okay, even inside the whatever the GL account which is there mapping, it's not a problem. But okay, whatever the GL account which is mapping, it's not a problem. Depends on the finance team what they assign the GL account, that is done. But here only what you need to understand whether this transaction event key BSX and WRX which is coming or not. Okay, that you need to understand. Okay, based on these two, you can check that. Okay, the stock which is added to our account, the finished goods, okay, which we are received, that is 80 rupees. Now the GR which is received but still not clear the invoice. So when it will be clear this one, when this will be debit, when the GRIR clearing account will be debit,
Inventory department should clear it.
when you
After
posted the invoice.
invoice.
Invoice, right? Why? Because you already posted. The half of them it is completed. Okay, when it is credit, half of them it is posted, right? And the remaining half it is balance. you are nullifying that, right? Invoice you are verifying and you are just doing that. Okay, right? So now if you see that here, this is the PO. Okay, this is the PO. Only GR posted, not yet posted the invoice. I can see in the purchase order history, the invoice still it is not posted. So can we see this in the report from finance team? Yeah, we can see in the finance team. Okay, so they will see that in the list of GRIR balances. Okay, let's go to this PO number here. And enter the PO number here and execute. Okay, so here it will display that, okay, boss, you received quantity 2, but invoice not yet completed. That means GRIR balance will be there. Okay, not sure why it is showing invoice amount. Okay. The GRIR value is there, but still invoice amount is not completed. So when it will be complete, this one, when this will be nullified, GRIR balance?
After posting invoice.
After posting the
Invoice.
So when you clear the invoice, that means from my side, point of view, was I accepted the stock, I accept the invoice. The payment remaining will be goes to the vendor. So that means I'm giving the green signal to finance team. You can pay amount to this vendor because I verified. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So let me try this one now. Anyway, I have the PO number, right? Let's try this one. My RO. Again, you have to maintain a physical year, which transaction what is NRIB, right? Document number in this, which is missing. What is the T code? What is the company code? TFMG. TFMC and go to intervals. Which interval it is missing? 49. Let's keep it the same. So now I posted this one. Now let's go back. We now do again invoice. So allowing posting period within the 6 and 7. Okay. Let's put it 6 and 7. 07. Okay. You're in the document account. Okay. So this is then tax code related. Tax code is mandatory. So change. So yesterday somebody is asking, right? Tax code, how we can use it like this one. So there is so many mappings are there here. See, so we have to map the GL account. With GL account, it should be post this input tax code. Okay. So again, this is the finance team will do this one. Okay. WS. So here they are entering that each tax code level. They have to maintain this tax code level. Why it is coming gray mode? Let me try it 0. No, why it is coming gray mode? Data can only be displayed. It is data is still being processed. Where it is processing? PW0 2030. Some 40 and V underscore 30K. So 30K is not there. Not this one and MWS. Oh, it is coming gray mode here. Okay. Coming functional code. Data already maintained being processed. 30K. Okay. Now, P0. P0, we can maintain this telecom. Now, tax code level, which we are maintaining. Now, let me try again. Okay, 84. Okay, now I'm just trying to post the document. Okay, if everything looks good, okay, we will post. Or else you will get error. Something error is coming. Only output tax code is allowed for what is out value. Okay, P0 is not allowed. Again, this mapping we need to do. Again, table entry which we need to maintain here. This is also INT VST. So this is a VST. Is a input tax code. Input tax code. Okay. And here what we need to enter here P1. P1 we need to maintain. So now let me try again. Okay, let's go to back. I have to go back and come. Let me try now. Let's see if it is posting or not. Okay, I think it's posting. Okay, so now so these many are settings we have to do when posting invoice from the accounting level. Okay, so now if you go to the PO history, okay, the purchase order history, it is posting a GR and invoice now. Okay, now I have to go accounting entries in the invoice. Okay, just go to following documents. If you see here, okay, this GL account WRX. Okay, this is the debit here. If you remember that while posting this GR, if you remember that in the while posting GR, it is credit, right? Minus it is negative. Now it is plus. That means there it is negative and here plus. Both it is cleared. Now there is nothing pending verification from my end, GR and invoice. Only the payment is pending from the finance team. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Are you there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I go to my open accounts MB5S and I just see that my this PO, okay, so there is nothing is there. There is nothing balance because I completed my invoice. That means I verified, I received the stock GR and I verified the invoice. So both it is cleared from my end. So my MM point of view, material management point of view, I verified the invoice and cleared that. So payment, whether payment should be processed, whether payment have to pay the to vendor, that is the again finance team, they have to process the bank. Okay, they will process this amount to bank. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So now, did you understand that what is the concept of these GL accounts now, accounting entries? Did you understand about that? What is the concept of this GL account, accounting entries?
Yes, sir.
So in the real time, okay, it's very important real time. You need to be, when you are doing implementation, okay, you need to be verified that these accounting entries are coming correctly or not, whether this correctly posting or not. So these entries will post correctly, but finance team, they have to be checked that whether the GL account they mapped correctly or not. So if you see here, instead of GRIR clearing account, he mentioned something different description. Then, okay, I'm not clear, right? So maybe finance team they will understood, but I'm not understanding this. What is this one? So what I can do, I can go directly FS00 and the GL account level. Okay, I'm changing that my description of this GL account. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just going to this GL account and go to the change. Was I could not understand this description. So what I can put like for my understanding, I'm just putting like GRIR clearing account. It's just like a description only. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so whatever the finance team, how they want to be mapped this GL account description. So for their understanding purpose, how they want to go, they can go ahead because they are looking into GL account. We are looking into our stock accounts. Okay, clear? Is
Yeah,
it
it's
clear?
clear, sir. Yeah.
So whenever you're posting any moments, okay, if you're posting any GR document, goods issue document, transfer posting document, if anything which is posted, which is non-valuated or sorry, it's valuated and stock related, okay, valuated stock and valuated okay, stock related and valuated value, okay, then there is two documents will be posted along with, okay, when you are doing any stock movements. One is material document, okay, and another one is accounting document. Okay, so what is the material document? Material document is nothing but like whatever the GR document number, which is like goods issue document number, GR document number, whatever it may be, right? If you go to MIGO, so the GR document number, whatever it is there, that is the GR document, material document number. Okay, these are all material document numbers. Okay, so how we calling this purchase order number? Like we are calling this is the material document number. Okay, along with material document number, always it will be post the accounting document only in case of valuated stock posting. So hope you understand what is the valuated stock posting and valuated stock movement. Correct, right? So if it is a consumption related, then you are not posting to any inventory stock. So it should be posted to inventory account, right? Clear? So it is not necessary every time it should be posted accounting document based on your process. Might be if you are posting to stock account, then stock movement. That means it is going to stock inventory account. Obviously, it will be posted GL account. Okay. If you're posting valuated post entry, then obviously it will go to the accounting entries. So if it is non-valuated, then there is no accounting entries. Non-valuated means, what do you mean by non-valuated?
Less amount, or maybe it's in a free item.
Zero. It might be zero.
Yeah.
Free items, free cost of items. Okay. Maybe vendor is giving free for these products. Okay. For those we don't need to be post any accounting. Or okay, these are the items, very less item. We don't need to maintain any accounting data, that we can post as a non-stock, non-valuated. Okay. Okay, so these are very, very important transaction event case. You have to by heart. Okay, so when it will be debit, when it will be credit, in interview point of view, they will ask that the process, in the process, what accounting entries will be posted, what is the debit, what is the credit. Okay, so it is not fixed. BSX and WRX. Depends on the process change, the transaction event case also will be changed. If it is not stock account, then it won't be hit the PSX because BSX is only for the inventory account. If you are posting for the consumption, then different transaction event key will come, like GBB or something. Okay, so whenever you're posting any process, you also need to be checked that what accounting interest which is posting and what is the transaction event key and what is the debit, what is the credit. Clear? This is very important even in the interview point of view. Clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, then guys, I think just yeah, please.
Sir, this 201K is like